often do you change oil is really the question.
What's the contamination in the oil?
It's such a good question.
Are you running methanol? If you're running methanol, change every race. Because methanol contamination in oil is an engine killer. So if you're running E85, I'd probably be changing every three shows. I mean, and we're talking like, average 25 lap features and qualifying and all that crap. But methanol every race.
And this is actually from Doug from the Junkyard
Sweet.
Dog.
Yeah, there you go.
So maybe he's got a different kind of thing going on.
Well, he's out in Cali, so if he's running methanol, every race.
High maintenance.
No, methanol is high maintenance, but it's also, max power. So
it is, but then, so tell me what is really the difference? You've got E85, which is basically alcohol made out of corn.
it's one molecule away from being
it
methanol.
is,
Yeah.
but you don't say like change the oil after every race after E85.
No, because
what's the difference between the two then?
Well, what happens is like with methanol versus gas, for instance, if you go from gas to methanol, you're using 2.2 times the volume of liquid, more methanol than you are gas. Mm-hmm. So 2.2 times more. That being said, when you do that, it contaminates the oil that much more.
Oh, because you're using your twice as much.
Because you can have fuel going by into the crankcase.
Okay.
So I don't care how sealed up your engine is. You're gonna have shit going down in the crankcase. And when you're if you go from gas to ethanol or E85, for instance, you'd be 33% more is what you're using, but it's not 2.2 times more.
Oh, that's good to know.
So
great.